Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to reset MS Excel default setting. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. It really helps us a lot. So let's dive in. Okay, first of all, what you have to do is go on the search bar and type Registry Editor. Click on Open. Okay, you will see a black screen. Click on Yes. Now here, open H key current user. On left side, click on this drop down arrow. Okay, now open software. It's here. Again, click on this drop down arrow. Now find Microsoft here. You can see here's Microsoft. Now click on it. Now find Office. Okay, here's Office. Click on it. Now open 16.0. Under 16.0, open Excel. Click on Excel and right click with your mouse and click on delete. Now click on yes. Now, now your Excel is resetted to its default settings. That's it for the video. That's how you can reset Microsoft Excel on your PC. Thanks for watching.